site, and guess what? Today is demo day, and finally we are tearing down this house. It's a relief. After all the hoops we've been jumping through, I'm excited. This is actually happening right now. Come on and check it out. One little push. That'll do. Did you see that?
A few moments later.
Yes. No, I will not hold. I need to speak to the president now. It's ridiculous. Can't you see I have a build going on right now? Yes. Yes. Yes, I want fries with that. Thank you. It's ridiculous. So a key to great ventilation in your attic, the one thing you want to look for is if the whirlybird is still spinning. That means you have amazing, amazing air circulation in your attic, and that will help keep your house in good heat and good cool when the seasons change. I would say we're in good shape here, folks. That's a fully ventilated attic. A new battery can last 15 years, okay? $19.55.